Every trader is obsessed with finding the perfect strategy. But most traders ignore the two things that actually determine whether they win or lose: their entry and their exit. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if your entry is wrong, you lose. If your exit is wrong, you lose. So what's the cure for this? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video will save you months of frustration, maybe even years. Most traders fail not because their strategy is bad, but because their entry and exit are inconsistent, emotional, or poorly timed. Let's break down the truth. 1. The harsh truth. Most traders ignore. You can copy a mentor's strategy. You can learn SMC, ICT, price action, supply and demand. You can even have perfect market structure analysis. But if your entry is late, fearful, or rushed, your risk to reward instantly becomes terrible. If your exit is emotional, greedy, or panicked, your profits disappear. Your strategy isn't the problem. Your timing is. 2. Why entry is so important. A bad entry leads to small stop loss turning into a big one. Terrible risk to reward. Getting stopped out before the real move. Entering where smart money is taking your liquidity. Good entries require precision. How to know your entry is perfect. Smaller stop loss. Bigger risk to rewards. Less emotional stress. Cleaner trades. Higher consistency. A great strategy plus poor entries equals an inconsistent trader. A simple strategy plus great entries equals consistent trader. 3. Why is exit important? Even if your entry is perfect, if you exit too early, you cut profit. If you exit too late, you give back everything. If you exit based on fear, your results collapse. The exit determines your confidence, your profit, your true account growth, your emotional stability. Your exit is where your discipline shows. 4. The big mistake is strategy hunting. Traders jump from strategy to strategy because they think the system is the problem. In reality, they never mastered the following: entry timing, exit rules, and trade management. A trader who cannot enter with confidence or exit with discipline will fail with any strategy, even with the best strategy in the world. 5. The cure. Here's how to fix this permanently. I call it the 3-pillar entry and exit cure. Pillar 1, one entry model only. Stop mixing 20 confirmations. Pick one clean entry method: breaker block entry, rejection candle, retest entry, order block entry, or liquidity sweep confirmation. Master 1, repeat 1. Your confidence will explode. Pillar 2, one exit rule. Only. Your exit rule should be clearly defined. Examples: TP at next zone, TP at 1 to 3, risk to reward. Partial at 1 to 2, runner to structure, trail behind market structure. No guessing, no emotions, just rules. Pillar 3, backtest until it becomes second nature. You can't master entry and exit from watching videos. You master them by repetition. Backtest 50 to 100 trades. Same entry, same exit, and same time frame. When your brain sees the pattern repeatedly, your confidence becomes automatic. Conclusion: the real truth. Everybody wants a perfect strategy, but it is your entry and your exit that determine whether your strategy actually works. A good strategy with bad timing equals losing trader. A simple strategy with excellent timing equals profitable trader. Master the timing. Master the exits. Master the discipline, and the results will follow. If you found value in this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Profitability is the goal.